In the beginning, I used to score very less, but even though my teachers, my lecturers motivated me a lot. Whenever I got less marks, with patience, they used to explain the whole paper if I ask. Even though if you got less marks, come to me, I'll explain the whole paper. I am Sirunala of JEE Madhapur Learning Center, COE batch. Vedanta Offline Center literally helped me a lot because here the teachers are excellent, like we are at least position also. In the beginning, I used to score very less, but even though my teachers, my lecturers motivated me a lot. Even if I ask, they'll explain anything that is their doubt for me. And also, I literally appreciate their patience because whenever I got less marks, with patience, they used to explain the whole paper if I ask. Actually, I'm very poor in physics. In the beginning, I used to get single-digit marks in physics, so I'm very poor in that. And physics sir is like he'll be saying that even though if you got less marks, come to me, I'll explain the whole paper. He says that okay, come, let's do together, and he literally explains the complete question paper. Actually, our teachers are like they have literally very good patience. After like every exam, if you feel low, they used to say that it's okay, let's improve, learn from your mistakes, so you can improve for the next time. So from the beginning to now, like my marks are gradually improved. How many times if you ask also, they used to explain it again. I don't feel like any hesitation to ask them. Like all of our three teachers were more supportive to me, and mostly I could say my physics sir because like he used to guide me every time, like every day I can say. Every day he'll come to me and he'll ask me like how much did you, how are you doing, like manage your time, or giving some advices. So actually all the three helped me, but physics sir created more impact on me. So like I was in a dilemma that what should I prepare next, but with my results I have some confidence on mains, so I can move a step forward for preparation of advance.